What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another one. So tonight we're taking the beasts out, getting some rolling shots with the Pocket 3. So never done this before. Pretty keen to see how they turn out, to be honest. But yeah, we will see what happens. Got to get some fuel first, otherwise I'll end up running out of petrol. Fucking love this thing, it's so good. So the plan for these rolling shots is we'll figure out like what angles and stuff we need to get and what it looks like, and then hopefully by the time we've done that we get some like nice sunset sort of pictures and stuff like that. No, this isn't the road. That is. No, yeah. Am I just setting it up as a static shot, or does someone want to hold it? Hello.
Hello.
How do you think night's going, lads?
Going well, doing some rolling
Going well.
shots.
Doing some rolling shots with our coffees. Starbucks break. Cruising back home now. I would say overall pretty successful night. It was a pretty ghetto of a setup, to be honest. Had the Osmo with the with a clamp mount on the tow bar. It worked pretty well. Like, from all the videos that I've read, when you do rollers, you know, using the Osmo, apparently you get some jittery effect or jello or something like that because the gimbal's like bouncing up and down or something. I didn't honestly see any of that in the footage. I mean, I was only looking at like the low res preview on my phone, but it looked pretty good, to be honest. Fuck, I put it in sport mode. Cruising around in street all night and he's changed it to sport mode. Did not even notice that one.